This is now my second testing of my HSO generator with electrolyte. You can see that is the production. See, it's been producing lots and lots of gas, and the amperage goes up to 7.2 amperes. And this is a straight DC testing. See, that's all the gas it produces, but it's still not yet in process. See, that's how this HSO generator works with electrolyte and without a full speed module.